Oh my god, I have not been this excited in a long time because today I have an RTX 3070 in front of me. I got this from Best Buy. I ordered it, I think, on the 9th. Today is the 12th. It just came here after my school ended, which was good timing. And this is the Gigabyte Aorus Master 3070. It's a pretty nice card. It's 3 fans. It has a base clock speed, I think, of 1845 megahertz. Pretty sure. Oh my god. I genuinely can't believe we got a 3070. I got so lucky during a Best Buy drop recently. Wow. Okay, so first of all, we have a 4-year warranty, which is right here, and this is an absolutely amazing card. Like I said, it has a great clock speed. It's insane thermal performance, and just overall, this thing is going to be crazy. So on the front, we have this really nice Aorus logo that looks like kind of industrial. And then this side talks about some of their max-covered cooling technology. 3 features, I believe. There's the fans that overlap. There is the I know they have those little like things underneath the fans that help guide the airflow. And I think the final thing is how it has the pass-through at the back. But it's a really nice card. You can kind of see it there. It has RGB, which is why they show off their RGB fusion. And it also has an LCD screen, which has multiple different modes. Oh my god, this is gonna be insane. Should we open it? Wow. Alright, let's do it. Right now, in my PC, I have a 2070, so this is gonna be a sizable upgrade. I'm trying to get this guy out without hurting the packaging too much. Oh, ooh, that's nice. Sorry, I keep forgetting. Gotta turn it away from me. But that is really nice. That Aorus logo. Okay. Really clean box. Like, looks just really good. Ooh. Okay, we have like this little manual. Let me take a look at this. Once again, it has like the same Aorus logo. And let's take a look. Okay, so we have this kind of like this cool poster showing off the warranty, which is pretty useful. And then we also have just a little booklet. This is like a quick start guide, right? Quick guide, yeah. So this is like probably like installation and just information in general. They have tons of languages, which is good. Pretty nice packaging so far. It is a very premium 3070, but definitely worth it, I'd say. And then, oh boy, this is gonna be pretty cool. Oh my god. Oh wait. Oh, this is heavier than I expected, I think. Try to get this out. It's got like this really nice smell to it as well. Oh my god, that's beefy, dude. That is so beefy. Oh my, okay, we'll have to take a look at that. Dude, that's crazy. Also, you get this little Aorus badge, which is kind of cool. It's got adhesive 3M on the back, so that's kind of useful. There's a little peel on it as well. And I believe that's everything, but I'll just check by removing the packaging. Yeah, that's everything. Okay. Wow. Alright, let's take a look at the card then. Oh my god, this is big. Like, this is a big boy card. Let me get this out of here. Oh, that's actually big. Like, that's actually, like, big. Okay. Wow, it's a 3 fan. I have a dual fan MSI Ventus 2070. I've been trying to get a 3070 for a while. I'm going to make a video on how I got mine and some tips. Also, there's like no reviews for this card. I've noticed that. Like, I tried to watch some, but there's barely any. So I'm gonna try to bring you that today. Oh my god. It's so big. Look at that. Wow, these fans are really nice. They oh yeah, the other thing with the max covered cooling, it spins in opposite directions. So that way it makes it so the airflow is a little bit less like they will otherwise kind of push against each other. that's pretty nice. They've been doing that for a while. Asus does that as well. But there's a lot of wrap on this. We also have, quite awesome that they included this. They have 3 HDMI. I think these are, I probably should have, I think it's 2 HDMI of the latest version. Like either, is it 2. No wait, yeah, I think it's like either 2.2 or 2.1A, something like that. I'll put it on screen, but there's 2 of the newest HDMI and 1 of like the last generation, and then I think there's 3 DisplayPort 1.4As. So that's really nice. They also have these nice covers on them, and just in general, really nice. Oh my god, look at this backplate. The Aorus logo here lights up, which is really nice. You have a little bit of that pass through. Great design on this card. There's a lot of screws on here too, and then just absolutely amazing. There's also dual BIOS. Kind of forgot about that. There's the silent, and then there should be. Oh yeah, there's an OC, and then there's a silent. Ooh. Ooh, man. That looks really good. Absolutely amazing card. Oh, yeah. And then, here's the LCD screen. Forgot about that. Right there. Dang. Why don't I go and put this in my computer? And then I'll also show it compared to my 2070. So, I'll go ahead and do that. Also, I'm sorry I have like a black desk. It's a black card. Let me see if I can put something against it so you can see a little bit better. 1 second. It's really nice, I have to say. Absolutely crazy. It's just such a nice card. Oh my god. Alright, so I guess what I'll do is I'm gonna go ahead and put this in my PC. Take out my 2070. I'll tell you what my 2070 looks like just in case you wanna know. And oh my god, let's play some games on this, and let's see what kind of performance I'm gonna get. It's a great card. Obviously, you know, has these ports on them, which is awesome. Looks great. It's got some pretty nice RGB, 1845 megahertz on the core as well. I mean, it's got all these nice features, of course. You know, you can go through their website. I'm just kind of talking through it. The LCD screen looks pretty nice. I will say this Aorus logo here that does not light up, just like the text. And then of course you have the fans. Stays pretty cool. If you have it set to stock settings, it will definitely go to 0 RPM. I mean, when I first turned my PC on, it was 0, and it just stayed there until it got to a certain temperature. Great power limits and everything. I'll show you. I can overclock it pretty good. Like, it's pretty nice actually. Anyway, really nice card, and if you can get it, obviously if you can get it in stock, then yeah, get it. I'm gonna have a video just for how to get this card and others, because I do have some tips for you guys if you're trying to get one of these. I know it's hard, but yeah, thank you for watching this kind of weird review, and I'll try to bring you guys some more content on this channel.